Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to pay your Walgreens credit card bill? Here's how to do it quickly and easily. First of all, log into your Walgreens credit card account online or through the Synchrony Bank app. Next, go to the Payment Methods section to start your payment. Now choose how much you want to pay and enter your bank account details if you haven't already. Double check your payment details, then hit submit. You will receive a confirmation once it's processed. You can also pay by calling the Walgreens credit card customer service number or mailing a check to the address on your statement. And that's it, your Walgreens credit card payment is done. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.